Understanding running side in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, running side. This term can be a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native speaker. The phrase, running side, is not a common English idiom or phrase, which means it could be a bit confusing when encountered. It's not typically used in standard English conversations. However, we'll explore the possible contexts where this phrase might appear and its interpretations. In some cases, running side could refer to the side that is currently moving or in operation in the context of machinery or a game. It's crucial to look at the phrase within its context to understand its intended meaning. Let's see some examples to clarify how running side might be used. In sports commentary, the running side has control of the ball and is making a play for the goal. In machinery operation, make sure to stand clear of the running side of the equipment for safety. Since running side is not standard, you might want to use more common phrases such as active side, operational side, or simply the side that's running to convey a clearer meaning. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase running side and how to use it or avoid it for clearer communication. Stay tuned for more English language tips and tricks. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.